Jonathan Howe, meteorologist at the Bureau of Meteorology. So parts of eastern New South Wales and extending into northern and the central inland parts can expect widespread rainfall over the coming days, and this is due to a moist onshore flow interacting with both the surface trough and the upper atmospheric low. We're expecting localised heavy rainfall, especially with thunderstorms, and these storms could also bring gusty winds and large hail. We're not expecting the same widespread or significant flooding that we saw earlier this month, but most communities will see moderate rainfall accumulations over the next week, and again, those high totals will come with thunderstorms, which are expected to be more isolated rather than widespread. And we're expecting thunderstorm activity to continue through not just Thursday, but over the weekend. Rainfall totals of around 20 to 30 millimetres are expected each day across parts of the east and northwest inland over the coming week, and really looking between the areas between Wollongong and the southeast Queensland border. But for those across the mid-north coast, there is a chance of 30 to up to 40 millimetres of rain each day until Sunday, and then really only easing off into showers next week. It will also be cooler than average for this time of year with all that cloud cover, but it will be quite humid. The Bureau has issued a flood watch, which notes the potential for flooding based on the forecast rainfall, and that is for possible minor flooding through some catchments in the north coast and the mid-north coast from Thursday. A flood watch is current for the Bellinger, Nambucca and Upper McIntyre rivers, with the potential for minor flooding in these areas, and we have also issued an initial moderate flood warning for the Wallumbye Brook at Bulga, where minor flooding is expected on Thursday evening and moderate flooding may occur on Friday morning. Catchments are really saturated from recent rain, and so there is a risk of flash flooding and riverine rises, with the potential for minor flooding for parts of the north coast and again at Hunter and Northern Rivers areas. So we're urging communities to be prepared for the weather impacts and stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings on the Bureau website or the Bomb Weather app, and as always, follow all advice from your local emergency services.